Hello guys, so this is the topic myself Rahul Jha, and this is the topic I want to teach you in this class. This will be a very short and crisp video for those students who are actually appearing in class 12th exams and of term 2. So this chapter is very important. Examiner will definitely ask you a question from this section, and I have simplified this entire point in single short videos, and I have represented all this in this manner. You can see on the whiteboard. So first of all, I'll make you understand what exactly is the redressal agencies forum and three-tier machineries. So whenever a consumer is being exploited by various agencies, he has three options mainly. So what exactly are those options? So we have district forum, we have state commissions, and we have national commissions. So we will study actually Consumer Protection Act 2019 accordingly. So earlier the syllabus was included. The syllabus included Consumer Protection Act 1986, but as per the scenario, the government had changed the act and it has been converted to Consumer Protection Act 2019, and the act was passed in July 2020. So first of all, I'll let you know what exactly is the district forum, what exactly is the scene of state commission, and what exactly is the state of national commission. So first of all, in India, so I have simplified all these points. So first of all, I'll just simply make this video. I'll let you understand in very simple form. Trust me, guys. This video will definitely help you at any cost. So first of all, what about the district forum? There are total 647 district forum according to Consumer Protection Act 2019. Earlier it was 644. So of course, as we all know, district forum will be set up in each district and will be set up by state government. So it will consist of a single president and two other members, one of whom should be a woman. That's what I have written in this. A single president and two other members, one of whom should be a woman. The third point, and this is very important point, guys. The value of goods and services should not exceed rupees 1 crore. Earlier in 1986 Act it was 20 lakh, but in Consumer Protection Act 2019 it has been extended up to rupees 1 crore. So the next point, this will be a very common point for everyone. On receiving the complaint, of course, the district forum will put the goods on testing in the laboratory, and if found guilty, action will be taken. Everyone knows this. If found guilty, action will be taken. So this is very important point. If you are still not satisfied with the decision of district forum, students, just listen patiently. If you are still not satisfied with the decision of state commission, then with the decision of district forum, then you have to appeal in state commission within 30 days passing of the order. Okay, so hope so this point is clear with you all. Then what about state commission? So there are total 35 state commission accordingly in Consumer Protection Act 2019, and it has been set up in each state. It has been set up in each state by the state government. It consists of a president and two other members. The points are same. A single president and two other members, one of whom should be a woman. The third point, the value of goods and services should be rupees more than 1 crore and should not be rupees more than 10 crore. Means the value of goods and services will be lie between 1 crore and 10 crore. As you can see here, the amount of the goods was up to rupees 1 crore, but in the state commission, the amount of goods will be, for which complaints are going to be made, should be more than rupees 1 crore and less than rupees 10 crore. What about this point? I already told you this point and this point will be the same. This point and this point will be the same. On receiving complaint, the goods will be sent for testing in the laboratory. If found guilty, action will be taken. Everyone knows this. Now this is very important point. As discussed here, I told you that this is the 45 days. Now, as per Consumer Protection Act 2019, if you are still not satisfied, there might be the chances that you might not be satisfied with the decision of state commission. Then student, you have to appeal in national commission within 30 days before passing of the order, after passing of the order. And the third point, national commission, everyone knows this. As this is the national commission, it will be set up by the central government. There will be only one in entire country, and it consists of president and 4 other members. Now, the subject has changed. In this commission, there will be a president and 4 other members, one of whom should be a woman. They all are appointed by central government. As we know this, the value of goods and services should be more than rupees 10 crore. This is very important point. Examiner will check you at this point. I strongly do this. Examiner will check you at this point. The value of goods and services should be more than rupees 10 crore. And on receiving the complaint, the goods will be sent for testing in the laboratory. Everyone knows this point and this point will be the same. If found guilty, action will be taken. Of course, we know this. And third and the last point, which has been given in the National Commission, if you are still not satisfied with the decision of National Commission, there might be the chances that you are in India and still you are not satisfied with any decisions of the state of any government, then there is still one option you have been given by the government, that you can appeal your entire case, you can appeal your file in Supreme Court. There has not been mentioned in English, but it has been given. So this is the very simplified form of redressal agencies. I am giving you the surety that you will find no simplifications of this point anywhere in. So this is a very important point. I'll come with another video, and please give the response how far you are getting this point. This entire video is in English. I'll come with another video, in which I will mention points in Hindi. Thank you. Thanks a lot. This side Rahul Jha.